Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna show you that how you can reboot your computer in safe mode or safe mode with networking option. So let's say that if you have a Windows 10 computer or Windows 11, it's an easy way that you can do that. So you just need to bring up the run command. You can press Windows and R key combination and then type there msconfig. When you type the command, just click OK, and it will open up the system configuration screen on your computer. And you can see in the top line you have some options like journal, boot services, startup and tools. Go to the boot option and you need to select the Windows. I have multiple Windows installed on my system, so I'll check with Windows 10 here. And from the boot option, just click on that safe boot option and make sure that if you selected the minimal, it will just turn your computer on the safe mode option only without internet. And if you select the network along with the safe boot, so you will be able to access the internet as well on the safe mode option. So as of now, I'll just go with minimal option, safe boot without internet. So when you click on apply and OK, it will ask you to restart. So we just need to restart and just sit back. It will take a few moments to shut down and turn on back automatically, so we need to just wait for it. It's turned off now, booting back automatically. So I'll select Windows 10. Entering my password here. You can see that we are in safe mode, and if you see that in all four corners we have the safe mode written here, like that, here and here as well. So that indicates now your system is running in the safe mode and it has no internet connectivity, since we did not check that option for internet or network. So for any reason, when you get into the safe mode and when you're done with your work, and if you just restart your computer from going to the start menu, it will not come back to the normal mode. If you remember that initially we went to the msconfig, I'm doing the same. Click OK. It will go to the boot option. So when you are done with work, just make sure that you uncheck or untick that safe boot option by going to the boot option settings. Alright, Windows 10, selecting Windows 10 here, and make sure this should be unchecked when you're done with the work that you have been doing on safe mode. And that's all. Just give it uncheck, just apply and OK, and this time when it will boot up, it will go to the normal mode. And yeah, this is how you can take your computer in the safe mode settings or options and do your work, whatever you want to do. That's all. Thank you. I hope you like this video. PC Guide for You is here to help you with your issues. For more updates, subscribe now.